Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is video number 34. In this video, we will learn quick analysis in Excel. So let's start. Quick analysis tool in Excel, a powerful feature that help you format, visualize and summarize your data instantly. So let's start. Let's see formatting data with a quick analysis. First, select the entire data. So here you can select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Second way is simply select the inside the cell. Use the Control A to select the entire data. After that, here you can see in corner point one icon is indicate quick analysis. Just click on it and here you see the first tab is formatting. There are different options available: data bars, color scale, icon set, greater than, top 10% and clear. So here I select only one column. So here I select the salary column. Then click on the quick analysis and here in formatting I select the data bar. And here you can see the data bar is applied. Now I select the text column. So in department column only the text here showing, not any amount showing. Okay. So I select here entire column. Then click on the quick analysis. In formatting tab you can see now the different option here showing. Okay. Text related option. So I select here the duplicate to highlight the duplicate text. Now I select the date column. So I select here date column. Now I click on the quick analysis and now in formatting tab you can see the different option here showing. Okay. So I click on the greater than. You can see the greater than dialog box is open. So here enter the date. So I just enter here already entered 2922. So I enter here 2923. Okay. Now I enter 7/9/2023. So greater than this date is only one date available in this selected data. Therefore, the one is highlighted. Okay. After that, you set the color also with the light red is already selected. Click on the drop down arrow and you can select the other color also. And click on OK. And that's it. You can see the greater than 7/9/2023 is date highlighted. Okay, so this is the way you can formatting data with the quick analysis. You can see here the different way you can quickly analyze your data. That's it. Next is the charts. You can quickly insert visuals like the column or line charts. Okay, so here I select only department and salary column. Okay, and after that and click on the quick analysis and here you can see a second tab is a chart. Just click on it and here select your chart. So I select here the pie chart and here you see your pie chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Okay, related about the department and salary only. Okay, you can select your data. If you want to select entire data you can select it and after that click on the quick analysis. Okay, so I just click on the pie chart and press the delete key and now I select the other data. Suppose I select the salary and joining date and click on the quick analysis and click on the charts. Here you can see different type of chart is available. So according to your selection the charts type here showing. So I select here the line chart and here you can see the line chart is inserted with the chart design and format tab. So understood. So again I select the charts and click on the delete key of keyboard. Okay, I close this and now I select the name and employee ID. Click on the quick analysis and click on the charts type and here you can see the different types of chart is showing. Okay, so you just select it and that's it. Your chart is inserted. So as per your selection chart type here showing. Okay, this is so helpful. The quick analysis suggests you charts as per your selection data. So this is so helpful to quickly insert charts in Excel to analyze your data. Next, total tabs allows you to add some average counts or percentage in just one click. So I select the entire column. Okay, then click on the quick analysis. In total tabs have first option is sum. When you click on it and you can see your sum is calculated quickly. Again, I click on the quick analysis. Now I go to the total tab and click on the average and you can see average amount is calculated. Okay. To calculate the running total, just simply select the again salary column and click on the quick analysis. In total tabs here, you can see here last one arrow showing. I just click on it and click on the running total of column. Okay, as per the column, you can see 34,035 and plus 30. This is the running total. That's it. Next is table option. Converts your data into structured table for easy sorting and filtering. So I select here entire data and click on again quick analysis, and here the one tab tables. Okay. You can see different types of tables available. Pivot table you can check, and you can check the preview also of pivot table. See the in preview of pivot table, and here the normal table you can just click on it and convert your data in table. Okay, with the table design tab also is added. Again, click on the quick analysis and go to the tables. And now I click on this pivot table. Just click on it and you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot table is add. You can see the right hand side pivot table fields with the pivot table analyze tab, design tab also here showing. So you can create your pivot table also quickly with the help of quick analysis. So last tab of quick analysis is spark lines. Insert the mini chart directly inside your cell to show the trends. So here I first convert this data in normal data. So I select your entire data and go to the table design tab. In tools group, click on the convert to range. And here the one dialog box is open. Do you want to convert the table to the normal range? So yes, and that's it. Your tables is converted in normal range. Okay. So I select here the salary column. Okay. Then click on the quick analysis. And in Sparkline tabs, I click on the column, and you can see the spark line insert the mini chart and inside your cell show the trends. Okay, with this spark line tab also here added, you can change the style of spark line. Okay, you can just add here the first point and high point. Okay, so these are the option is available to formatting your spark line. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.